In this video, we're going to be graphing linear inequalities. Our first example is y is greater than 3x minus 1. Our first step is to graph the line y equals 3x minus 1. So remember, the way we do this is to first start with the y-intercept of -1. We put a point right there. And then we use the slope of 3 over 1, rise 3 and run 1 in the positive x direction. Rise 3 and run 1 in the positive x direction. And then in the other direction, we can fall 3 and run 1 in the negative x direction until we've plotted all of our points. The next step is to decide whether we should connect these points with a dotted line or a solid line. So here's your key. If the inequality does not have an equal sign on it, then we use a dotted line. If the inequality were greater than or equal to, or less than or equal to, we would use a solid line. So I'm going to connect my dots with a dotted line. The last step is to shade either above or below the line. Since my inequality is greater than, then I'm going to shade above this line. Being careful, a little more careful than I am, to not go across the line. So this means I have shaded all of the y values that are greater than the line y equals 3x minus 1. In example 2, I'm graphing the inequality y is less than or equal to -1/2 x plus 4. So if you remember from the first one, we start by plotting the line. We're starting at not -4, we're starting at +4. So we put our y-intercept, and then we use our slope of -1/2. So down 1 and 2 to the right. And because my inequality says less than or equal to, I am going to connect all of these dots with a straight line as soon as I'm done plotting them. Now the last step is to shade above or below the line. My inequality is less than or equal to, so I am going to shade everything that is less than or equal to this line, so underneath the line. All right, for the last one, you are on your own. You try it. Y is less than x minus 5. So start by graphing the line. You need to choose solid or dotted, and then you need to shade either above or below the line. Make sure that when you are done, that you go and fill out the Google form that I've created to go along with this video.